Alright guys, what's up? Right now I am going through and taking apart the Ford. So again, like always, I'm in the middle of things right now. I just took the bull bar off, but as I was taking it off, I realized that the light bar is still wired, so I can't really take it fully off. But I got all the bolts off and the brackets. I'm actually selling this to a buddy of mine. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going in, taking apart the wiring and everything. I'm gonna have to pull off the button. So I'm gonna take the dash apart. Hopefully I'll take the exhaust off. I think like that's about it for what I'm gonna pull off, but I'm gonna list this online just for a parts car and see if anyone offers me any money for whatever they need. So we'll see how that goes. Well, that just happened. Got one of these magnet dudes over here. I think it's down here somewhere. Alright, I found it. See that shiny thing right there? That's it. So I'm gonna take my magnet. I'm gonna just try to reach it. Ta-da! Alright. So, here is the bull bar. Alright, so I pulled out the center dash and I pulled the button off. Just gotta pull it off this faceplate here. And while I was at it, I took out the radio. Alright guys, it is actually January right now and I'm in short sleeves and I'm still sweating. I don't know why it's so hot out today, but it is. And what we're doing right now is we are taking the exhaust off the Ford because I have someone coming to pick it up. Okay, so what we have here, these are the mats. We're going to clean them up, sell them separate because they're good mats, so I could get some money for these.
Where's your... Right now, or do I need to check you? Yeah. Bye.
Alright, so we got a hanger right here. And then the bolts that bolt the muffler to the exhaust, the end of the exhaust right there. And then up there is, you know, what connects it to the front of the exhaust. So I just got almost all the bolts out. I still have to unbolt it from the cat, but I can start pulling apart everything else just as long as I undo the hangers, which are always annoying to do. But it's moving along pretty well, which is good so far. Fingers crossed. We've had no problems.
What'd you say?
So there are these two bolts over here.
You're overexposed.
That's in my face.
Oh, okay.
So over here, right behind like the suspension, are bolts that pull together like two pieces of the pipe, and I can't actually like get anything back there to break the bolts. But fortunately, I had the same issue when I was putting it on, so I couldn't tighten them properly. So I could actually just pull this off right now. So. One sec.
Oh.
That's why my exhaust always rattled too.
Cool.
Ta-da! Yay! That took way too much effort. You have to see these bolts. Alright, finally I got it out, but here it is. These two pieces. I'll leave it in two pieces. I won't take it all apart. But, yep. Hasn't come yet. I haven't heard back from him. He said he'll hit me up after work. But in the meantime, literally like a couple days before this blew up, I filled it up. So it has a full tank of gas. So what we're doing right now is we are going to siphon out what gas we can, and then we're going to put it in Hannah Ray's truck. So I've never done this before. I guess you just like suck on it?
Yeah, and then you watch it and then you throw it into here. I've seen my dad do it, but I've never done it.
It's so gross. I'm just breathing in gasoline fumes. Am I doing something wrong? We're doing something wrong. Let me Google it. No.
What did we just learn, David?
Alright. So apparently this one guy just like stuck the hose in, put it in the gas can, and then stuck another hose in and just blew into it. So
Are we gonna try it?
I'm gonna cut this.
Okay.
We're giving up.
It's not worth.
This was
$40.
yeah. It's not worth $40. It's just $40 in gas. Whatever.
Yeah. We did get past the rollover, but we didn't get anything.
No.
It didn't work.
Oh well, whatever. So that guy who was supposed to come pick the Ford up just ended up never getting back to me. I haven't heard from him. So I called the scrapyard yesterday. They're coming tomorrow night to pick it up. I'm getting $200 for it. And yeah, I guess I'll get my final goodbyes on video. The crazy thing about scrapping the Ford and it blowing up is that it's been in my family its entire life. My grandparents bought it off the lot brand new in North Carolina in 2003. And then it got passed to my mom, who drove it for a while, and then I got passed to me, who drove it for 2.5, 3 years almost, and now it's dead, and it's going away, so that's a family member leaving, basically. Alright guys, so I just got back from work, and the Ford is about to get picked up, and how fitting is it that it is raining today? I guess the weather knows it's a sad day for me. Alright, one last time inside of her. Here's the title there. Got the key. And, you know, just for old time's sake, does not start. Alright, I just hooked up the jumper pack to it because I gotta put it in neutral. And definitely doesn't start. Alright, it's all ready to go for the tow truck. Bye, Ford.